Welcome to Law Practice Exchange. My name is Tom Lenfestey. I'm an attorney, CPA, and the founder of this company. Thanks for visiting our site, and hopefully this video helps a little bit about telling you what we do and how we approach it, and overall, how we can benefit or help work with you. So overall, the Law Practice Exchange are two things. One, we're a law practice broker. Two, we're a consultant. If you are a seller that you need a buyer, and you don't have them within your firm, we're going to help you value, we're going to help you prepare your firm for market, we're going to help find and search for that potential buyer, all in a confidential marketplace, and we're going to help put that deal together. As a broker, we can do that much like a broker for selling your house, but we do it in a law firm space in a professional manner. If you have somebody and you're looking at just how to move your ownership from one generation to the next, or bring in that next generation of partnership, we're here to do the same under a consulting platform, to create that internal succession, to value your firm, to build out succession plans and structures for your firm. That's first and foremost. Whether it's a broker or consulting, we're here to help you. The benefits, we would say they're endless. But overall, if you're a seller, we're ready to get you to maximize the value for the practice you've built. You've spent a lifetime, a professional career of building this value. We want you to see it so that you can benefit from it for retirement or whatever other purposes. So we want to monetize that value and maximize it for you. We also want you to spend time with your family and your loved ones. A lot of people contact us for that specific reason. I need to slow down because I want to spend time with my family. We're here to help you do that. We also want to help you practice without fear. The ownership is the biggest risk that you have. It's not continuing to practice law, it's owning your firm. So if we can allow you to practice, but not have to worry about the ownership or who takes over if one of life's events happen, we're here to help you do that. If you're a buyer, we're here to give you opportunities for immediate revenue and profitability growth, immediate expansion into other areas. Also, we're here to give you immediate ownership if you don't have a law firm yet and you don't want to start from zero, but would like to start at a high number to pay yourself a good profit, a good salary right out of the gate. So we can take you, buyer, or your law firm to the next level by one of our acquisition opportunities, and we've got a proven process to do it. The other aspect, point 3, we do have a process and we do have the knowledge to back it up. With almost 10 years of being in this marketplace, but also 15 years of total law firm and lawyer trained transactional and a CPA experience, we have the knowledge and we've built the process and we've tweaked the process over that almost decade to make it work for you and to make it work for others so that we can help continue to build this marketplace successfully, not just for sellers, but from buyers also, to make it a win-win solution and to do it in the right way, the ethical way for everybody involved. So knowledge and process. Last point is we've got success. We do have the client stories to back it up. We aim to make those clients happy. We aim to make you happy. Give us a call. Give us a chance. We look forward to talking with you.